I'm Grace Slick. I'm from Hot Springs, Arkansas. I definitely like the look of it better. It looks sturdier, kind of more authentic, really, instead of like the plastic and metal frames. I definitely like the wood frame. It feels more, like I said, authentic, more like you're outside. It doesn't feel like what you're in is different from the plants that you're growing. I really like it. It's the only greenhouse I've ever had. It kept all the plants out of the house. Is probably why it ended up being bought. I like the fact the window's open, so when it gets hot out, I don't have to worry about going out there and opening the doors so everything doesn't burn, as well as they close, because I'm really forgetful, and I would definitely forget to close them when it got cold at night. It's something I enjoy. It's nice in the winter to go out there and not just everything's dead outside. It's warm and green in there.